Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show in Malibu, California, at this incredible $15 million home. And look at the view to start with of that amazing sky and cloud collection. It is and certainly is a unique property. Stay with me on this walkthrough and this talk through of this incredible home. Let's go and take a look. Look at that, set up high with the clouds sitting down low. It really is a great start to a beautiful property. And there we see it. It's like a compound. We've got this stone retaining wall. Then we see a steel roof, and there's some shades and more with some low maintenance gardens outside the exterior. But look at that. I mean, hello, call the cops. This one's under arrest for sure. Look at this, copper lights indeed. And apparently it's good to have copper lights, and today they've got them. Beautiful dining table top as well. And then look at this cloud setting here around the edges. I mean, this place is rather unique. The views are forever, and it's certainly exceptional. Look at this. Play some pinball there. Sorry, correction, bowling. And I'm just thinking of that. They look like pins, and there's a ball. That was what did that to my brain. Looking out to the views over the Pacific Ocean, Malibu Beach down the road, and simply superb. There's the steel roof there working with a cement mixture here. So we've got an architectural design of different style of living and lots of plants and shrubberies around too. Bit of a Japanese feel here with this one, and lots of use of glass, a skillion type roof there, and a lovely Californian garden off the beaten track, and that's for sure. But down the road is one of the most famous beaches, Malibu. And there we have some beautiful cactus and a lovely entrance to enjoy. Look at that shot too. They've really gone crazy on the clouds, and the pool is looking magnificent. Look at that view from the pool. I mean, it is fabulous. It is that home away from home. A couple of dolphins here on the spa and blocking the sun through these slats here, and views over the mountains. It reminds me of New Zealand. In a way it does. Turtle down there in the pool. And just looking superb. Or you can't see the turtle. There's one down here. And but yes, very nice indeed. Let's see if we can get that turtle for you. There we have it. The turtle hiding down in that part of the property. I better keep moving. Okay, so lovely checkered tiles here, and lots of protection from the sun here with these shade sails. But a fabulous position, and certainly a wonderful home. I'm just taken away by this one. So different, really. And but sitting in the $1 million statuses with $15 million, it's on 12815 Yellow Hill Road, Malibu, California, 90265, and it's simply superb. Set up on the hill, giving you all those evening experiences of reading a book here on these amazing leather chairs, looking out over the view, and enjoying the floor-to-ceiling windows, indeed. Lots of exposed concrete here. Very different design. Love this lip underneath the TV, making it feel like a fireplace, and certainly fabulous indeed. Look at this. They're changing the room round for us. Look at this. They're changing everything as we move through each photo. Into the kitchen. Looks very commercial, actually. Just the style of it. Lots of stainless, lots of exposed cupboards. Breakfast spa as good as too. Look at this massive hallway through here. Lovely extension home. There we go again. We're changing it up for you. The ceiling turning to clouds. And then beautiful cactus garden, and down this concrete stairway, which is polished and looking pretty nice indeed. Yes, indeed, through to the bedroom, I believe, and we've got a bit of local stone right inside the house, and that would have been built around, I'm sure. And then this amazing feature wall and more. Look at that for a bathroom. This is quite unique. The shower's just been used. We've got this bath sitting over here, and more. The dolphins are everywhere on this one. And with Malibu down the road, not surprising. Views out to the Pacific Ocean, just fabulous. And those night shots are great as well. What have we got here? We've got it looks like a garage, come hobby room, come pool room, and more. There it is. We've got it empty. That's what it looks like when you've got it. And that's what it looks like when they've got it. With the old Caltex up there, and we've got all sorts of stuff going on here. An amazing kids car here, retro and collectible, and lots on show. Lots of Porsches here, and Beetles, or should I say one Porsche, the Beetle, and more. An amazing color. So, wow, More collectibles as we head on through. Lovely position, lots of stone, and of course that flat roof looking rather good as well with views out. It's an exceptional home, very unique indeed, very different. Up the road from Malibu Beach, and that was a stunning view. Solar on site as well. Yes, indeed. Tesla's on the battery system, why not? And some local aloe. Looking very good indeed. Beautiful home, lovely position. The use of concrete and steel to bring a contemporary architectural style and views to boot. What a fabulous home. Would you like to tour it? Yes, indeed. $14.5 million. It is an absolute beauty. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Please subscribe and like, and we'll catch you when we look through our next property on our talk through here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.